Hey, good morning everybody. Kay here on my homestead in Tennessee. Well, you saw in my last video that we had a snowstorm. Could be the last one before spring, I don't know. Hope so. But I just wanted to give you a little update about the onion patch, my fast, and all of that, so stay tuned. Okay, so I am on I think it's day 4 of my fast, my juice fast. And I have to say, everybody's going to work, so I'm gonna have some traffic going by. My friend Daryl suggested a juice fast. He did one for about 10 days. He lost about 10 pounds. He stopped because it was getting warmer and he needed to be out in the garden. And I gotta say, you don't have as much energy when you're not getting that protein in your body, but I don't have a choice. I feel very compelled to lose at least 10 pounds before I try to go skiing. And somebody asked me, why do you need to do that? Well, I need to do that because I want to protect my knees. Historically, when I've skied, my left knee and especially swells, and as you know, like every 5 pounds that you add is another 50 pounds pressure on your knee. I heard that from my son's tennis coach. So don't quote me, you'll have to do your own research. But even if it's like half that, just imagine the extra pressure on your knees. Wow, sorry about that. So that's what's happening. I eased into my juice fast. I didn't do it just cold turkey. The first couple of nights I was really hungry and I had a big handful of cashews and then and then I had an avocado and a banana. So that's how I started, the first 2 days. And then I went to an avocado and a banana, and I did that for 3 days. No, so it's been more, I guess it's been longer. And then, oh my gosh. Holy cow. Wow. Oh, I don't even want to tell you what I'm seeing up there. And so, yesterday was Sunday and the sky was clear, but they've been busy today. So, yesterday I only had an avocado. I was out of bananas. So yesterday I only had an avocado, my juice, my homemade juice that I'm making, and which is about 50% celery, 20% zucchini, 20% carrot, and the other is parsley and lettuce. That's the last batch. I'm in my 2nd gallon. And I'm also having, I'm still having my cacao with a tablespoon of raw honey in the morning to start the day because I am not off of caffeine and I don't want to ruin my day. So I've had that. And then I'm also drinking chaga. It's been cold in the house. It was a very cold weekend, so I wanted something warm to drink. I drank chaga. I also drank herbal tea, one that's good for women. And then I supplemented that with my juice. So that's my fast so far. And I finally started dropping in weight. Yesterday I noticed I was down, well, this morning I'm down about 4 pounds. So I just want to keep going till I get to 10. And see how it goes. So that's the plan on that. Otherwise, I'm heading down to Co-op right now, and I'm going to pick up T-posts. And so what I was thinking about with the fencing, I have to have fencing around my onion patch. I mean, I don't think they want to eat onions. That's not the point. That's one of their main thoroughfares down there, from the forest that way to the forest this way. So it's like a deer highway. And I just need to put up something that they'll walk around. And I have bought the electric because I'm told by the extension agent that they get used to everything. You can try this and that and this and that. And a lot of people have suggested things, but they get used to everything except they don't like electricity. And the guy at the co-op said they can even smell electricity. I don't know if that's possible, but so I do have the electric wire, but I am not going to try to do that right now because I want to get that bed planted tomorrow. And it's going to be even warmer tomorrow. So today John is coming. We're going to set the T-post, put up just the regular lightweight nylon deer fencing. Maybe I'll hang some streamers or some pie pans or something to say, hey, don't come here. But I was down there yesterday and there are many, many, many deer tracks. And in fact, I could have let them till, no. Anyway, so that's the plan, and you'll be seeing more of that. And thank you so much for following my journey here on the homestead. And I hope I can inspire you to take action, be prepared, grow your own food, and try to be more sustainable. Because things are heating up in the world. If you look at YouTube, there is not just YouTube, but Rumble, BitChute, you know, all the platforms, Telegram. Everybody's talking about what's going on in the world financially, politically, wars. So we need to do everything we can to feel more confident that we're prepared. So thanks so much for watching this little update, and you'll be seeing the work that we're going to do. My nose is dripping in the cold. Sorry. You'll be seeing more of the work that we're going to do today in the very next video. So I just wanted to give you this quick update. I watched a video. I watched several videos last night, and I watched Off Grid with Doug and STACY, and STACY was doing her top 10 survival foods. And I thought, gee, I have honey and ghee, and I have quite a bit of flour stored, but that's in the freezer, so that, that requires electricity. So I'm thinking as well, what else do I need to do? I've done a lot, but a lot of what I've stored requires electricity. So I need to think beyond that. And so I encourage you to check out that video of, I'll put the link right up there, of STACY's video. Very, very helpful. And so I'm going to be working on that as well. So stay tuned to more from my homestead in Tennessee. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video. Hit that subscribe button and click all so you won't miss out. Take care. I'll see you in the next one.